Cloud computing is an emerging trend in the field of information technology where computer based services are delivered over the internet or the cloud and are accessible to the user from anywhere using any device. These computer services comprise software, hardware, databases, storage, etc. These resources are provided by companies called cloud service providers and usually charge on a pay per use basis, just like the way we pay for electricity.
Not a problem.
Cloud computing enables the user to process large amounts of data without having the required storage on their personal computer, as long as they are connected to the internet. A user can avail need-based resources from the cloud at a very reasonable cost. Any facility provided by the cloud is known as a service. Different computer services are categorized into three standard models, namely infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Let us now study about the features of SaaS. SaaS is a service that offers on-demand pay-per-use of application software to users. There is no concern about software configuration or installation in this cloud model. It is accessible via a web browser. The cloud runs a single instance of the software and makes it available for multiple end users. There is no need of huge investments, hence making cloud computing cheap. Few example products of SaaS are Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Microsoft Office 365, and Dropbox. In order to harness the benefits of cloud computing, the Government of India has launched a new project called Meghraj or GI Cloud. Let us now learn about the features of PaaS. In this model, users can install and execute their program without worrying about the underlying infrastructure and their setup. It provides a platform or environment to develop, test, and deliver software applications. It provides a deployment environment for developers at a much reduced cost, lessening the complexity of buying and managing the underlying hardware and software. Suppose you have developed a web application using MySQL and Python. To run this application online, we can avail a pre-configured Apache server from cloud having MySQL and Python pre-installed. Thus, we are not required to install MySQL and Python on the cloud, nor do we need to configure the web server. Few example products and services of PaaS are Amazon Web Services, Google Web Engine, Microsoft Azure, and Force.com. EaaS has the following features. EaaS offers different kinds of computing infrastructure such as servers, virtual machines, storage and backup facilities, network components, and operating systems. Users can outsource the hardware and software on a demand basis and pay as per the usage. It helps to save the cost of software and hardware as well as the cost of maintenance and security. Using EaaS from the cloud, a user can use the hardware infrastructure located at a remote location to configure, deploy, and execute any software application on that cloud infrastructure. Example products and services include Amazon EC2, GoGrid, and Rackspace. SaaS is used by end customers, PaaS is used by developers, and IaaS is used by system admins. A grid is a network of geographically dispersed and heterogeneous computational resources. Unlike cloud, grid focuses more on applications instead of services. It creates a sense of a virtual supercomputer with an enormous processing power and storage. The constituent resources are called nodes. These different nodes temporarily come together to solve a single large task and to reach a common goal. Grids can be of two types, data grids and CPU or processor grids. Data grids are used to manage large and distributed data having required multi-user access. This is what a data grid looks like. In CPU grid, processing is moved from one PC to another as needed, or a large task is divided into subtasks and divided among various nodes for parallel processing. The blockchain technology works on the concept of decentralized and shared database, where each computer has a copy of the database. Since all the data is not stored on a central location, there are minimal chances of data being hacked or lost. Blockchain stores information in batches called blocks that are linked together in a chronological fashion to form a continuous line, or a chain of blocks. Blockchain can be defined as a system that allows a group of connected computers to maintain a single, updated and secure ledger. Each computer or node that participates in the blockchain receives a full copy of the database. It maintains an append-only open ledger, which is updated only after all the nodes within the network authenticate the transaction. The most popular application of blockchain technology is in digital currency, such as Bitcoin, although it is also being seen as one of the ways to ensure transparency and efficiency in business as well as governance systems.